How to add a contact us page to your Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how it's done. But first I just need to note that you do actually get a contact page by default and you can even feel free to view it. So what's the point of this video? Simply is, as you can see, it's really plain. You don't really have much going on here. So if you want to add some text, more things about yourself that you want to add, working hours, whatever it may be, you can actually go ahead and do that and change this default page. So in order to do so, we simply just want to go to our online store, click on pages, and then we simply just want to click on add page from the top right corner. We can feel free to name it whatever we want. Usually contact us would do the trick. And then we can just go to the content section, and in here we can just go ahead and add whatever we actually feel like. And just to note, by default, it's going to be on top of the form. So yeah, keep that in mind. You can actually go ahead and add a new header if you want. So we can just go for heading 1, centralize the alignment, and then we can just do, and then you can just go ahead and add some more, stuff here. So I'm just going to add some dummy text. You would know better to, what you actually want to add, since you don't want the default one. And you can even feel free to add images, which is a good thing. So you can just click on insert image, add this one, for example, click on done, and it's going to be added. And you can feel free to just, add more text right underneath that image once it's actually, loaded. So you can feel free to, again, just keep adding some text. And once we're done, just make sure that the template is selected as contact. You don't want it to be the default page. You want it to be the contact template. And this is it. We can just click on visible and click on save. We just want to click on view and we want to click on edit theme. So in here, we can just add some more extra editing. So for example, we now have 2 different headings. We're just going to remove the older one and we're just going to keep this new one that we have just added. We see the images, we see the text, we see everything. So we can, play around with it when it comes to the padding and stuff. And this is pretty much what we can actually do. Just change the padding. We can change the color scheme of these elements. So for example, you can just go for this one and same goes for that one. And once we're happy with everything here, the contact form itself, you can change the width of it, the padding, but not the actual fields. So just keep that in mind. But once you're happy with this page, you can just click on save from the top right corner. And now lastly, what we are going to be doing is click on content from the main dashboard, go to menus, click on main menu, and we're going to remove the older one and click on add menu item, name it contact us if you want to, and then just go to link, click on it, go to pages, and you should be able to find contact us, which is the one that we have just created. Click on tick and save. So this is pretty much it. So if we just view our online store, we should be able to find it as a menu item. I'm just going to need to refresh because sometimes Shopify takes a little bit of time to implement change. So now, as you can see, it's turned to contact us. And if we click on that, it's going to take us in here. And as you can see, this is the new contact us page that we have just created. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.